One of my least favorite things to do is spend an entire day doing payroll. It is absolutely terrible. I do have a couple of small businesses and I can honestly say that it stresses me out when payday comes around. After constantly stressing about it, I decided to look into some different payroll services to see if any of them could manage it for me. And after researching and testing out a few options, I went with Gusto. And in this video, I'll be reviewing some of their features, talking about their plans and pricing, and sharing some of the pros and cons I've noticed over the past few months of using them. So by the end of this video, you should know if Gusto is right for you.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. Now, Gusto is a fairly new company. They started up in 2012 and they're currently ranked #1 in the US by SimilarWeb for e-commerce brands in the human resources space.
But they don't just offer payroll services. They can do other things like manage health insurance deductions, employee benefits, and retirement fund contributions. On top of all that, they also organize important tax documents like W-2s and 1099s for your employees. What is it like signing up? So it's super easy, very straightforward. Fill in all of yours and your company's details, then select a plan and pay. Then you're up and running. Now, if payroll is new to you, then I'd recommend getting up and running early in the month so you can give yourself some time to get familiar with its tools and features before payday comes around. Let's talk plans. So Gusto offers 3 different options, and with each one, you pay a flat rate for your overall plan as well as a smaller charge for each employee that you do monthly payroll for.
So the first option is called the Simple Plan, and it goes for $50 a month plus an additional $6 per employee.
This package will get you full payroll service, including W-2s and 1099s, separate profiles for each employee, basic hiring and onboarding tools, as well as an employee benefits calculator to factor in things like health insurance and overtime. You also have the option to use a Gusto brokered health insurance provider, which can save you money as you help your employees get set up with their benefits plan. Of course, using providers that partner with Gusto, you'll generally get a much better rate. And the Simple Plan will also give you regular reports on your employee metrics, like how many hours they worked and whether they took any sick days. They also offer integration for other software you might be using, like a time tracker or an accounting tool, which can make your record keeping a lot easier. Next up is their Plus plan, and this one is currently running at $60 a month and $9 per employee for a limited time, down from their regular rate of $80 a month and $12 per employee. This package provides everything included with the Simple Plan plus additional features like next day direct deposits, a PTO calculator, and a time tracker that lets employees clock in directly through Gusto, as well as a project management tool, performance reviews, and employee surveys and insights to get feedback from your workers. Both the Simple Plan and Plus Plan also allow you to customize your services with optional additions like priority support and HR resources, but these will cost you an additional $6 per employee each month. Last up is Gusto's Premium Plan, which for a limited time is going for $135 a month and $16.50 per employee instead of their normal rate of $180 and $22 per employee. This package gets you the time tracker, HR resources, and even an R&D tax rebate if your company does research and development at no extra monthly cost.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel.
Now, of course, nothing is perfect. There are some things that Gusto could be doing a little better. In terms of the cons, I'd say that their UI or their user interface is a bit messy, meaning that the buttons and the layout on the app are kind of clunky and slow to work with. And if it was up to me, I'd redo the entire website. I also noticed that the services they don't work that well on my phone, so it's best used on a computer. Now, saying that, after all the research and tests I've done with other payroll services, I do think that Gusto is one of the easiest to use. It's super simple to learn and integrate with other systems you're already using, and having the option to add on HR services can be a huge plus for smaller businesses that can potentially save you a decent amount versus having to hire a separate HR company or onboarding an HR person for compliance on your team. So if you're new to this kind of thing like I was, or if you really just want a tool that simplifies the process of managing your business, then Gusto could be a great option. So would I recommend Gusto? Well, if you're a large business or deal with a ton of individual contractors or subcontractors every month, then I actually would recommend opting for another platform like ADP or something that is specifically designed to handle bigger payrolls for larger companies. But if you're a smaller business with lesser needs, then I definitely recommend Gusto. They're easy to use, and if you're managing payroll yourself, then I think Gusto's Worth checking out to save yourself not only the time, but the stress doing yourself will bring. I can tell you that I no longer feel that anxiety and pressure building up leading up to payday. So just because of that reason, they were easily worth it. So that about wraps things up. I hope this video helps you to decide if Gusto is right for you. If you're new to Payroll, then I'd certainly recommend checking them out.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel.
As always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.